Hi, it's and welcome back to my channel. And today we have a packing video because I am leaving for a 2-week hospitalization tomorrow. So I got the news 2 days ago and I spent that time finding everything I needed. Everything is now on my bed. I have this suitcase that I'm gonna start packing first, and I have right here a bag that I will fill in afterwards. And I thought I would just take you guys along packing with me for the hospital. And if you want to see all of the rest of the videos and vlogs that I will do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So first thing first, I already have my underwears and all sorts of stuff like that already put in my suitcase here. And now I am going to get through all the clothes that I'm taking. So I have 3 pages, one short one with a short and a t-shirt, and 2 with pants and long sleeve, just because it should be cold during the night, but we don't really have a precise idea of the weather. I'm gonna be really high in the mountain, so it probably won't get cold, so I decided to take pretty much long things just in case. So the next thing that I'm packing is towels, because I will most likely be in a swimming pool a lot. So I have my towels with me. Also, if you hear a lot of cuts and stuff like that, I have a pretty bad cough, and I'm probably gonna have to cut everything out. So that's just what could happen. And with the swimming situation, I have my bathing suits, which are gonna go with my underwears. I have 2 pairs of bathing suits. That's what they asked to take. Next will be my clothes. It's heavy. I am taking 1 legging, just a normal pant, and 3 joggings, because I will be there for re-education. Because if you're new to my channel or you just stumbled across this video, I am paralyzed. I have a wheelchair. I don't know if you can see it, it's just right there. But I've been paralyzed for a year, and I am going to the hospital to try and get some more of my mobility back. I also have a tiny towel that I put on my wheelchair, just depending on what I do, it's more comfortable. So next we have all the tops. I have 3 sweatshirts because once again it could be pretty cold this week. So I just have 3 of those. Then I have 3 long sleeves that are a little less hot if it's not as cold as we thought. And then I have a lot of t-shirts. I actually have 6 t-shirts. Okay, next I have this pouch, which is more of a medical pouch. I have anti-allergic medication and stuff like that, just because I can have allergic reactions. So that's the emergency kit, I would say. And continuing in that same notes, I have my meds with me. I have my daily pill organizer, which there's just every day a little thing like that. And then I just have the rest of my meds to refill it if it's necessary. But I will be putting it in the other bag actually, just because it's gonna be easier of access. I also have a few other hygiene products, which I'm just gonna pack here. And then I have my toiletry bag, which I actually have 2. I have one for like every day, which is skincare, toothbrush, deodorant, and everything like that. I also have like cream and my night guard and things to clean my glasses with. I also have, and in this one I have cotton ball, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and more of the stuff that I will need for showers and stuff like that. In the same category I have a hair dryer. I'm not sure of the name, I forgot it, but they said that they provide one, but you have to ask for it, so just in case we take this tiny little one. And then I have my hair brush, but I'm keeping it for today and tomorrow, and I will pack it last minute. And then for the electronics, I'm taking my iPad, obviously my phone, but I will still need it, and my computer, which is still downstairs because I have some work to do. I'm also taking my diary, my bullet journal, and all of that. But this is the only one I have now. The other ones are still downstairs. I also have my makeup pouch, which there's basically nothing. There's concealer, lip balm, and mascara and hair ties in it. And then obviously I have a bunch of chargers, and I'll have an extension cord and just a bunch of things like that just to charge everything. I also have my computer chargers, headphones, everything that I can possibly need basically. I also have my ebook, and I will take one book with me. I'm only allowed one, which is going to be hard to choose. But I also have my ebook, but it's currently charging. So I also have my stationaries, which I have this little pouch and all of my tombos, because I will have to do a custom journal while I'm there, so I won't need those. But I will still use it today, so I'm keeping it out of the suitcase, and also my tripod to be able to vlog while I'm there. And for this bag, I already have applesauce little pouches in here. Just like, it's just a box with some in there. What flavor is this? Strawberry and apple, I think. So I already have that in here. This is gonna go in here too because it's the more fragile things. And then the less fun stuff, no, the more fun stuff, the food. I have this box full of snacks that I'm taking with me. But I almost don't have any battery left, so I'm gonna go charge my camera really quickly before I finish all of this. Hi, I am back. My camera is now charged, and as you can see, I do not have the suitcase with me anymore. It's down there at the bottom of my bed. Just because I thought it would be nicer to have a little bit more space to actually work. But so this is just the bag where I have all my meds, and I was going through I don't think it's gonna open up, so I'm just gonna reach into it. I have huge bags of gummy bears just because I'm addicted to it. I'm pretty sure there's a second one somewhere in all of this, so I'm gonna get to it. But I have crisps. I have multiple kinds. Oh, and also I think I didn't explain why I'm taking snacks and stuff with me. But I'm someone who's always in the hospital, and I usually have troubles with hospital foods. I'm not someone that's like a picky eater or anything. Like when I go to friend's house or family or anything, I don't have any troubles eating. But I do have troubles with hospital foods, particularly after last year where I had so much troubles. I was hospitalized for 2 months, and in those 2 months I got one time a bowl of rice, and that was it. I had ordered like a menu, like a full meal, but I only got like a bowl of rice. So I don't know, I had some crazy stuff happen, like they lost my breakfast, or like I had a bunch of things like that happen. So now when I go prepared just in case I don't like the food or I do not get food, because sometimes there's problems, it happens. But we just had the food in here because I sleep with my dog, and it was in here to prevent her from getting into it while it was in my room, but now it's gonna be in the bag. But I have the crisps. Also in the bag, it's not food related or anything, but it's my wheelchair charger. Yes, it's weird, but it's the charger from my motor that I have for my wheelchair, my other wheelchair. So I'm taking it with me because I will probably be able to go in town and stuff like that, so I take that. Those are part of my favorites, I would say. So not forgetting those. I also have gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. Also something, I'm usually on a gluten-free diet while I'm in the hospital, but I can't have gluten because I'm only sensitive. So I usually take gluten stuff, like things that I have gluten, like, I don't know, what do I have in here? Like those that are, what are they? They're mini chocolate chip muffins, but those are not gluten-free, so I would have them like as a snack. Oh yeah, I also have those ones, which are, they don't have a name in English, I don't know it, but it's basically 2 biscuits with jam in the middle, and it's I'm pretty sure those are my favorite things ever. I can live without those. And those ones are, it's not strawberry, it's the other one. Yeah, I don't find it, but it's basically part of my favorite things ever. I also have lemon biscuits, but just because I love those. It's tiny packets too. I also have dried up cranberries. Oops, crap. I have raisins, blueberry rice cakes. Never tried those before, but I love rice cakes. A pack of dried fruits. And then the rest is not snacks, it's something that I think only exists in Switzerland. I never really saw that anywhere. It's just something that we put instead of salt. So I just can put that on anything that it's too bland for me. Because usually in the hospital they don't put too much salt or pepper just in case there's someone that can't have it for any reason. So yeah, and I also have same reasoning, and it's good too, but it's tartare sauce. It's mayonnaise with cucumbers in it, but I don't really know the translation. The last thing I have in it is raspberry syrup. Just because you usually have water, so I can put that in there in my water, just so I don't get bored, because I'm someone that when I drink the same thing, especially water, I just get bored. So that's for that. So that's a whole part for everything that I take to eat with me. Oh, there's one in there. That's in here. And then I also take this whole bag with me. In here for now there's sweets that you take when you cough. So I have those. I have disinfectant wipes, which you know, COVID. I have my wallet and thing to put masks in. I also have portable battery and cables. That's where I keep all the cables that I'm taking for now, because I don't know where to put them. I also have one of these, which if you're never saw this, if you're a subscriber, you probably saw one already in one of my videos, but it's a jewelry, which is just a silicone thing that you wear as a necklace and you can chew on it. Really glamorous, but it does help with my migraines, so I always have one. And we cannot forget hand sanitizer, and this one is an aloe vera one. There's, yeah, aloe vera in it, and it smells really good, so always a plus. So yeah, that's everything that I'm taking with me for a 2-week hospital trip, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!